This video is just going to explain how to turn off autopay in GPay, Google Pay, whether you have iPhone or Android phone. So you need to open this Google app, okay, and then go to this profile sections. You need to tap this profile section here. Okay, cool. Now what we need to do is here we need to just scroll down. You can see this autopay. So already I have one pending request. Fine. So here, right, so I have enable this autopay for Adobe, okay, for Adobe services. So I'm going to tap this, and here you can check this cancel autopay. So I'm going to tap this cancel autopay. I need to give yes. I need to provide the PIN. Super cool. Successfully autopay is cancelled. Okay, autopay is cancelled here. You can see this. And going back, so I have other services enabled. That's fine. So this is the way you can disable autopay on your Google Pay. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.